Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about the article reviews about Excel 2016 for Mac on Australia Unwrapped.com. The features of Excel 2016 for Mac and Office are pretty same. Both software serves the purpose amazingly. You will find full screen support, retina graphics, multi-touch gestures, fixed task pane for doing the formatting, synchronizing with drives, and cross-platform using in both software. It is best spreadsheet app for Mac until you don't rely on macros, and in this article we are going to discuss in detail about Excel 2016 for Mac. The new interface of Excel 2016 is pleasant and easier to use than its predecessor. When you open the Excel 2016, much cleaner and new appearance will welcome you. My favorite feature of Excel 2016 is Smart Lookup. Mostly people know about this feature in Word. When you need to look a meaning of for any word, Smart Lookup will use Bing to show the precise contextual meaning of that word. In previous versions of Excel for Mac, there was a separate taskbar for formatting toolbars, although you can hide them as per choice, but in Excel 2016 those toolbars are no longer. Sharing is caring. The sharing function of Excel 2016 is really efficient. You can save your spreadsheet in OneDrive. You can invite your contacts to that sheet or send them your document as PDF to those contacts. Moreover, your shared spreadsheet can be edited by the contacts even they don't even have Excel 2016. Excel 2016 and Office are most popular software. People use both software in everyday use. Most of the shortcuts of Office now work as shortcut for Excel 2016 too. Another amazing feature of Excel 2016 is charting. Just select the data for which you want to chart, then select a recommended chart from drop-down menu. It will give a preview of recommended charts. For further details, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.